Welcome to Neuro AI. Today we expose 7 habits that keep you poor. Stay until the end for the action that changes everything. You work hard, right? You put in the hours, you do what you're told. Every month it feels like a treadmill getting faster and faster. You see other people getting ahead, buying houses, going on vacations, and you're stuck wondering, what am I doing wrong? Why isn't this working for me? You're not lazy, you're not dumb, you are caught in invisible traps. Habits so common, they feel normal. They are not normal. They are systems that keep you financially stressed. Today, we expose every single one, and I'll give one action per habit you can start the second this video ends. This is the first and most dangerous trap, and millions are stuck in it right now. It's the feeling of your bank account hitting zero just days before the next paycheck. You're not saving, you're not investing, you're just surviving. One car repair, one medical bill, one emergency flight. And it's a catastrophe that spirals into debt. You have zero freedom. Your boss owns you. Your landlord owns you. Your car payment owns you. You can't take risks. Can't quit to start that dream business. Can't take time to learn. It's a silent emergency happening every single day, but today we stop the bleeding. Your mission: build a 1-month emergency buffers, a cushion you do not touch unless it's a true emergency. Add rent, utilities, food, transportation. Let's say it's $2,000. That's your target. Sell stuff, pick up shifts, cut non-essentials until you hit the number. Okay, you're building your buffer, but there's a predator hunting your progress. Impulse spending, you deserve it. It's on sale. Just this one time. Amazon Buy Now, DoorDash with food in the fridge. The sneakers you suddenly can't live without. These aren't small leaks. You're gaping holes in your financial ship. These triggers are everywhere, scientifically engineered to make you spend. $5 coffee daily, charge you 1-300 or $320 deliveries a week, 320 bomber, add random purchases, quite easily $5,000 or over 30 years, that can surpass $100,000. You need a system, the 24-hour rule. For any non-essential over $50, you cannot buy on the spot. Wait a full 24 hours, put it in your cart, write it down, take a photo. Then, walk away, and let the impulse cool. Ask, do I truly need it? Can I afford it and stay on track? Would I rather fund my freedom? 9 times out of 10, the urge vanishes. This single tactic can save you thousands a year. If your money doesn't have a job, it will wander off and get into trouble. A budget is not a prison. It's a plan for your freedom. It's you telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. It exposes the truth, like 400 month on eating out. And why you haven't saved. We start ridiculously simple, a 3-line budget. Line 1, income after tax. Line 2, fixed costs. Line 3, savings or investing goal. Action. Every week, a 10-minute money meeting. Check accounts. Track last week. Notice drift. No judgment, just awareness. Small weekly corrections keep you on course. Waiting a month leaves you miles off track. Write the 3 lines and schedule your first 10-minute money meeting for this Sunday. Start. Don't. Seek. Perfect. This habit turns you from a passive victim into the CEO of your money. You've been taught to trade time for a paycheck. This is active income. Relying only on active income puts a hard cap on earning and freedom. If you get sick, take time off, or get laid off, the money stops. It's fragile. To build wealth, break this dependency. Build systems that earn when you're not working. Passive income. Open a brokerage account and start a dividend ETF. Start with $50 or $100. Automate a small monthly contribution. The goal is to start. Celebrate the first dividend. Even 50 cents. You made money while sleeping. Use a reputable brokerage. Open an account. Buy your first share of a dividend ETF. Examples include SCHD or VYM. Plant a 2nd, 3rd, 4th money tree. This is how you build an army of dollar bills to fight for your freedom. Debt is the ultimate enemy of wealth, like running with a parachute. High-interest debt is a parachute on fire. It burns through your money with compounding interest. 22% APR can trap you for decades. You're throwing away thousands you could invest, or use, to buy freedom. There's a clear path out. Face it head on. List all debts from smallest balance to largest. Pay minimums on all. Attack the smallest with every extra dollar. Pay one off. Roll that entire payment into the next. Momentum builds. Right now, gather statements. List them smallest to largest. Declare war. Find an extra $50 or $100 this month. Subscriptions, takeout, whatever it takes. Send it to the smallest debt. Start the snowball. That first win powers the entire war. This is how you take back control, one victory at a time. You've built a buffer, control spending, and attack debt. Now many get scared and sit in cash. Inflation steals purchasing power. At 3% inflation and 0.1% interest, you're losing 2.9% a year. Markets are volatile in the short term, but historically powerful over decades. Don't time the market or chase hot stocks. Own the whole race with an index fund. A fund tracking the S&P 500 holds pieces of 500 leading U.S. companies. In your brokerage, set an automatic monthly contribution to a low-cost S&P 500 fund. Examples include VOO or FXAIX, $50 or $100 monthly. The consistency matters more than the amount. This uses dollar-cost averaging, removing emotion and automating wealth building. Emergency fund stays in cash. Investing is for long-term growth, 5 to 10 plus years. You're not gambling, you're owning pieces of powerful companies. Set up the auto contribution today. Let the system work. This habit underlies all the others. We learned history and science, not how to avoid 22% interest traps. Bad ideas pass down. Debt is normal, investing is only for the rich. It's not your fault, but it is your responsibility to fix. For 1 week, immerse in the fundamentals for just 15 minutes a day. Pick 3 short books, podcasts. For example, The Richest Man in Babylon, The Psychology of Money, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, or Solid Finance podcasts. Each day, read or listen 15 minutes and write one key takeaway, one action you can apply. By week's end, 7 powerful ideas you didn't have before. You'll start rewiring your mindset. Compounded learning pays dividends for life. Schedule your first 15-minute session for tomorrow. Habit 7, learned. That's 7 habits keeping you poor. Which one will you quit first? Subscribe to Neuro AI for more. Turn on subtitles and take action today. Build a buffer. Enforce the 24-hour rule. Create a simple budget. Start passive income. Attack debt. Conquer investing fear. Commit to self-education. Now, the one action I promised, choose one habit, just one, and commit to conquering it today. Don't do all 7 at once. Pick the one that hurts most and focus all your energy there first. This is your moment. Your turning point. The person who clicked this is not the person who leaves. Which habit will you break first? Tell me in the comments. I want to see you win. For more tools to win, subscribe to Neuro AI and hit like. Now go take action.